This week we are bringing you news from China. Did you know that in China they're celebrating Lunar New Year's, and this year is the year of the rabbit?
Last week's riddle was, I can fly but I have no wings. I can cry but I have no eyes. Wherever I go, darkness follows me. What am I? The answer was clouds. This week's riddle is, people make me, save me, change me, and raise me. What am I?
I'm Nehemiah, and I'm here today with
Ms. Rominsky.
And you have 15 seconds to name as many of the 50 states as you can.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, North Carolina, South Carolina, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, Missouri. Oh, gosh. Montana. I think I said that one already. Washington,
Time. Here with
Mariah.
And you have 15 seconds to name as many of the 50 states as you can. Ready, set, go.
Kentucky, Georgia, Alabama, Arkansas, Mississippi, Indiana, Ohio, Washington.
Time. You did pretty good. Teachers win.
What you do makes a difference. Now you have to decide what difference you want to make.
Fun fact, Google used to be called Backrub.
It's red, it's new. It holds microphones. It's the new and improved microphone holder. It holds not only the handheld microphone, but also the one on the lanyard. It's 3D printed by our very own Tiger Tech team. If you let it charge overnight, it will be on the whole school day. All classrooms that have a microphone will get one of these new microphone holders.
When you see this in your room, please wait 24 hours before putting anything on it so that the glue can dry.
And now for our new segment, This or That. Go left for science, right for history. Go left for science, go right for history. Go left for science, go right for history. Go left for math, right for English. Go left for math, go right for English. Go left for math, go right for English. Which would you choose? Now for Joke of the Week.
Why did the policeman go to the baseball game? Because he heard someone stolen a base?
Hi, my name's Juan Serrano, and I'll show you how to hard reset. This can fix a lot of basic Chromebook issues instead of having to come to Mr. Shetler. First, you just want to make sure your Chromebook's plugged in. That's the first step. Then you want to click the refresh and power button. So you're going to click power first, and then you're going to click the refresh button. You're going to want to make sure this light right here is turned off instead of it being a white light. Then you're just going to click on your power button after around 10 seconds. Chrome OS is what should pop up. It's not shutting down, but it is hard resetting. Thank you and have a good day.
I'm here today with
Mrs. Brantley.
And we're here to tell you that if you want to acknowledge a friend, a teacher, or anyone special, you can purchase a blue Newburg rose for $2, fun dip for $1, and a customizable 3D printed valentines for $1. The items will be sold during lunch and will be delivered February 14th during lunch. The Google form will go out Monday, January 30th, and all proceeds go to the Student Achievement Community Center for families that need support.
Let someone know they're special this Valentine's Day. Come out and support.